In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture on Google Docs from your computer. We'll walk through this process together step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to add images to your documents with ease. Let's start by opening up your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you are comfortable using. Once you're there, type Google Docs into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be greeted with a list of results. The first link, likely belonging to Google's own site, is the one you want to click. This will take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so at this stage. Enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your Google account. Once logged in, you've now arrived at your document hub. Here, you can either select an existing document if you have one that you're already working on, or if you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new document. Once your document is open and ready, decide exactly where in your document you want to place the image. Do this by placing your cursor in the desired spot. Now, look to the top menu bar where you'll find a series of options. Click on Insert. This prompts a drop-down menu to appear, revealing various insertion options. Hover your mouse over the Image option. Here, a new set of choices will appear to the side. The one you should choose is Upload from Computer. The moment you select Upload from Computer, a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll navigate through your computer's folders and files to locate the image you wish to insert. Once you've found your image, click on it to select it, and then press either Open or Insert. Congratulations! Your chosen image should now appear in your document at the cursor's location. Now that the image is in place, you may want to adjust it to better fit your document's layout. To make these edits, simply double-click on the image. This action will summon a right sidebar labeled Image Options. This panel gives you a variety of tools to play with. For instance, you can adjust the size of your image or rotate it to get that perfect angle. There are also text wrapping options that determine how text will flow around your image. Plus, if you want to get creative, explore the recolor options, adjustments for brightness and contrast, or add alt text for accessibility purposes. And there you have it. Inserting and customizing an image in a Google Doc from your computer is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you're now more confident in enhancing your documents with images. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!